No vision on my highway.
Right up, right to your right up.
Oh, yeah.
Let's shoot them if they come over. Shoot them if they come over. I'm taking left one, Tuck.
No. That right one's deep.
Left one. Kill him. Got him.
Gun jam.
Right side was deep.
Whole bunch of birds just got up front.
Where'd he go? Where'd he land?
He's down.
I was not prepared for that.
Another one coming. Oh, that's that thing floating.
We killed one?
No.
Well,
floating.
we shot when they were above us.
I wanted to pair
And swoop. Oh, they might be swooping on my right here.
Three up front.
Right here in our spread. There it is.
I had to shoot
Is that all of them?
No, that's all right. Yeah, we got.
Shoot that one again.
I got it. Maybe not.
He's fine.
I crumped this first one though. Don't shoot at him. That's all I gotta say.
Don't move, Adam. Don't move. Don't move, Adam. Don't move.
Don't shoot ground.
Kill him.
That was crazy.
Good, Adam? I think so.
Someone's got to take this guy, but don't shoot the decoys. Don't shoot him, Graham. Don't shoot him, Graham. Just let him.
Don't, Graham. He's gonna go in the woods.
Oh.
Shot him, Graham.
I mean, 1 for 1 is okay, I guess, right?
Friendly fire is on. Those ones did it nasty with Adam involved.
Dude, he was further over than my kayak.
Here, start throwing some of those birds here. Are you losing them?
Huh?
Are you losing all those birds you got on your kayak?
They're all in my kayak.
All right, boys, we got 6 ducks in the boat. I think we got 4 teal and 2 mallards. We're kind of in a lull right now. Birds aren't flying, but I think they'll come back from the fields here pretty soon and work our spread, so it's been pretty good. What happened there, boys? I saw him. I was filming. Let's go for the big pack. You ready? 3, 2, 1. In here, couple for sure. Get moving right now. Get moving. Battle. Battle. Grab those shells. Should I crumble that kid or what? He's crumbled. There, he crumbled him. I don't know if I crumbled him or not, but he's sitting. Alright. Shoot. Motherfucker. Give me another.
No way.
Are those our boys?
Yeah. Yeah, you bossed him that time. Crummy them. Imagine this batch is like tagged or something, or banded or something. Hey, give me that thing. Huh? Are they shooting reels now? Here. Give me that thing again. Or the paddle.
It's about 9 o'clock here. Just wrapped up the day. Wrapped out the day on Swift Ditch out here. Got 6, 2 mallards, 4 teal, 5 teal, 7 actually. 2 mallards, 5 teal. Could have done a lot better, but I don't know. Thought there'd be a lot more birds flying, but
That was a pretty slow morning. It was pretty warm, a little too warm.
yeah, definitely too warm for a good duck hunt. But you know, we made what we could. So,
Had a fun time.
Yeah,
Shot
I think
a couple and
you boys are gonna head out later tonight, so see how that goes, and maybe get a banger going.
Yeah, check kill some more.
All right, boys. Have a good one.
Adios.
Alright boys, welcome back. We're Sunday night hunt here. It's a little after 6. We're on a little water, hiding in the cattails here. We scouted this probably a couple weeks ago and saw quite a few ducks, so we're gonna see if we can shoot some tonight. But
October 1st here, and we're sitting in shorts, you know, trying to
t-shirt
duck hunt
in the
all
mud.
muddy. Hopefully we kill some birds.
Blackbird.
What do we got here?
Those are in regulation play here.
Belly gone. They're about to dump in our spread.
Another one.
They are. They're cormorants.
Wrong side. Oh, a lot of ducks though.
They're following the river. They're coming. They're coming.
Flare. Mojos. It's the mojos. I'll promise you.
They're going to the big pond.
It's the mojos.
Okay, let's go to the big pond.
He's hit 3 times.
He's down.
He's hit 3 times.
He's down.
Way over there.
I switched spots. Just shot 2 birds. Birds just aren't working us very well. We were in a bad spot, I think, in our first spot, but it's a tough day. Did you wring his neck? Those are cormorants?
Yeah, they are.
Those are pelicans.
We are gonna do a little whitetail hunt talk, aren't we?
Yep.
Oh yeah. You'd love to see it.
Shot a hen and a drake mallard. Wasn't the best hunt, but at least we didn't get skunked. And also check out our new logo and some merch that we got. It'll be linked in the description, so check that out. Get a sweatshirt, get a t-shirt, something. That'll help us make these videos. So It's gonna be greasy. That's gonna be the end clip, dude. That's gonna be the end clip.